I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone has mobile data, at least 20% battery, and Hotspot enabled. On the phone Open Settings, locate Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot and toggle it on. Next, configure the SSID and a secure password so your PC can find it. Write them down or copy. Once done, keep the Hotspot screen visible so you can confirm connections and adjust timeout or allowed devices before you move to the PC. Now move to your PC and open the Wi-Fi menu. Refresh the list if you don't immediately see the hotspot. Choose the phone's SSID and enter the password you set. Be careful with capitalization. Once connected, Windows may ask to mark the network as private. Accept to allow file sharing if needed, while Mac OS may ask to trust the network. After a successful connection, confirm internet access in a browser and monitor phone data use to avoid unexpected limits. Finish by optimizing settings. Switch the hotspot to 5 GHz if your phone and PC support it for better speeds, and disable Bluetooth tethering to avoid interference. Keep an eye on mobile data and battery. Plug the phone into power if long use is planned. If the PC can't connect, restart the phone's hotspot, forget the network on the PC and reconnect, or briefly toggle airplane mode on the phone. That simple reset resolves most glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.